Turkey has once again captured global attention through its increasingly aggressive and independent defense technology developments. Having developed various types of combat drones, long-range missiles, warships, unmanned aircraft, and air defense systems, Ankara is now continuing to expand its strategic capabilities in the undersea warfare sector. One of the most interesting developments is the combination of submarines and high-speed weapons. Numerous defense reports and analyses have identified Turkey's ability to launch weapons from submarines as a crucial part of the evolution of national maritime power. This technology opens up the possibility of submarines as long-range attack platforms capable of carrying out stealthy attacks. Submarines have long been known as one of the most difficult military assets to detect. Unlike surface ships, which can be spotted by radar or satellite, submarines can operate silently beneath the ocean surface. This capability makes submarines invaluable in modern warfare. However, warfare technology continues to evolve. Modern submarines no longer rely solely on conventional torpedoes. Undersea platforms can now carry various types of missiles, unmanned systems, advanced sensors, and electronic warfare equipment. When a submarine is combined with a high-speed weapon, the resulting combination is extremely dangerous for enemy defense systems. An underwater launch system must be capable of a highly complex transition. The weapon must safely exit the submarine's tube, travel through the water, and then reach the surface without damaging the missile's main structure. Once in the air, the propulsion system can engage, and the missile can continue its flight toward the target area.